Right, so let's start off here again. Okay, so what I want to draw now is the end elevation. The end elevation is looking in from this point here, okay? So, what's the first thing I'm going to do? Hands up. Raj? So Raj says I'm going to draw a line across here at 45 degrees. Okay. So, at 45 degrees, I'm going to draw a line up here, okay? So what am I going to do once I've drawn that line at 45 degrees? Raj? So I'm going to take all these lines across. So every point that I can take across, I'm going to take it across. Now I've brought it up to the 45. I'm now going to bring it straight across. So let's go here. And I'm going to bring it straight up. Nice and light now. Nice and light lines. Okay, so yeah, straight up, yeah. So as soon as it touches the 45, you go straight up. Good question, Charles. So we've got this now. I'm looking in from B here, right? And I'm looking in from B, and what am I going to see? Anyone tell me something I'm going to see? You're expecting 100% Soul Hilton, are you? Mm-hmm. Good man. So, I'm looking in here from B. The first thing I'm going to draw is this kind of platform here. Okay? So I can see that's 20 in. So I'm going to mark that in now. Okay, so this is my starting point. So I've brought that over from here. So I'm going to mark 20 millimeters in. I've already marked it. So that's the point there. So I'm going to take my line across from here. So that's the height of the platform. Right? And now I can draw this line in heavy. I can draw this line in heavy. And I can draw this line in heavy. So I've already got the platform in the end elevation, haven't I? Okay, so I want to draw this outcrop here, okay? So this piece that juts out at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the lines up. So I can see that it starts here. So if I'm looking in this direction, okay, I'm looking in from here. I can see that I can see this corner. I'm going to follow it up. And that goes up right up to the top, okay? So let's draw that in. Right, so I've drawn that in. And now I want to draw this side here. So I want to see what I'm going to see. I'm going to look along this line here. And I'm going to follow it. And it comes up to here. So let's mark that straight up to the top again. Okay. So I've now found these two lines, 1 and 2. What I want to find now is I want to find these two. So I'm going to draw them in lightly this time. So I'm going to follow this one up and see where it is there. Okay, so I'm going to draw that in a little bit heavier. So I have that there. That's the first one. Second one is here. So I'm going to draw that in a little bit heavier. Now, we need the height, okay? So, if I look at my drawing here, I can see this measurement. I want to mark how far is it down. Someone tell me. No one tell me no? How far is that? 30, yeah, exactly. So, mark down 30 and draw a line straight across. Ah, no, I've gone that line a little bit too long. Leave that back a little bit. Okay, so. Okay, so. We've got this drawn in. So we've now completed the end elevation. So it's not simple. Easy. Okay, so now, do you remember we weren't able in the elevation, right? We weren't able to draw this in because we didn't have the measurements. Okay, so now what we can do is we can bring the points up from the elevation. Okay, we've got them drawn across. Okay, so we've got them drawn there, and we just need 2 lines heavy at the top here. 1, 2. So now we have that complete. Round of applause, everyone. Easiest question you'll do all year.